Online food ordering firm Zomato is now getting set to go public in FY21. Let's do a three-point analysis to find out what this could mean for the company going forward. 1. Why is Zomato's IPO significant? Well, Zomato is flush with new investor capital and is clawing back from the pandemic hit business. While many analysts are still skeptical about it, if the IPO does happen, it will be a landmark development for the Indian startup ecosystem. It will be the first among India's modern consumer internet startups to get listed, and that too despite being affected by COVID-19. Although whether it will list in India or in the US is still unclear. Now, in case it lists in India, it will make Zomato the only big local unicorn to tap the stock markets here. Other internet-based companies which are listed here are Infoedge, which owns Naukri.com, and MakeMyTrip. Now, Infoedge is also a shareholder in Zomato. Now, earlier this month, an HSBC Global Research report had said that Zomato could add $2 billion in market cap to Infoedge for over 3 to 4 years. 2. What do Zomatos Financials reflect right now? Well, Zomato in its annual report has said that it has more than doubled its year-on-year revenue to $394 million in FY20, even as its losses have also widened to $293 million from $277 million a year ago. Now, COVID-19 induced lockdown in March had severely impacted the food delivery business in India as several restaurants remained shut during the period. Now, in the June quarter, the company reported a revenue of $41 million with an EBITDA loss of $12 million. 3. Will the IPO help Zomato beat the COVID-19 blues? Well, in the last week of March this year, Zomato's food delivery gross merchandise value hit its lowest point with an 80% decrease compared to the mid-February numbers. Now, as of now, the food delivery gross merchandise value has recovered to 60% of the pre-COVID levels, and as lockdowns ease and offices open up, the company now expects a quick recovery in the order volumes as well. However, many analysts believe that looking at the current economic scenario, it will be very difficult for Zomato to launch a successful IPO, given the kind of impact we have seen on restaurants and on hospitality firms. Now, they also point at incidences where we have seen global IPOs of companies such as WeWork and Uber fail miserably on account of inflated valuations.